top news headlines. Chief Minister N. Biren resigns from his post. And BJP Morcha leaders' family injured in post-poll violence. Hello, this is Pony TV English News. I'm CHRISTINA and now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on Friday met Governor Naga and resigned from his post while the governor asked him to continue in his office until the new government took charge. The Chief Minister, accompanied by other ministers and MLAs, met the governor and submitted his resignation letter. Later, Biren Tutet called on Honorable Governor of Manipur at the Raj Bhawan to tender my resignation from the post of Chief Minister today. I will now be serving as the caretaker Chief Minister. The BJP earlier, before the two-phase elections held on February 28 and March 5, informally declared that Singh will be the party's chief ministerial face and will head the next government. In the northeastern region, after Assam, the BJP securing absolute majority on its own retained power in Manipur for the second consecutive term by winning 32 seats in the 60-member assembly. The 61-year-old Congress-turned BJP leader retained his stronghold Hengang Assembly constituency for a record fifth time in a row. He defeated his rival Congress candidate Pangejam Sarachandra Singh by a margin of 18,271 votes.
Has given his resignation today from the Chief Minister post, and I request Honorable Chief Minister to be the caretaker Chief Minister till the permanent arrangement is made.
In a post-poll violent incident that occurred in Jiribam district on Friday, a group of JDU workers attacked and injured the family of Imphal West BJP Morcha Vice President. The injured family members of Saddam are undergoing treatment at Jiri Hospital, according to our Jiribam correspondent. The incident took place a day after the announcement of results of 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election. At around 8:30 a.m., a group of JDU workers attacked the family residing at Lalpani Part 2. Saddam said his family was attacked for supporting a Meitei BJP candidate in Manipur polls. They also threatened him. His mother, Angurund Nisa, aged 52, father MD Makram Ali, aged 58, wife Abeda Begum, aged 30, and uncle Kamrul Islam, aged 38, were injured in the attack. Speaking to the media, Saddam said workers of MD Asap, who didn't arrive at his residence in 3 vehicles at around 8:30 a.m. and hurled firecrackers before attacking his family members. MD Asap Uddin of JDU was elected from Jiribam for the second time. Saddam said nothing wrong in his family supporting a Meitei candidate in the election. He appealed to the concerned authority to look into the matter.
Ayugi pong nipan makhay aduida adu asabutin kanguna gari ahum mise yangkhay humbo irangani moila gai khoi jumda bom lang challe akhoi babana thologa akhoi ta haire noi kare noi harona ba tawro adu lambi da tawro ai khoi jumda bom lang singanu adu haiba degi moi punna ai khoi jumda changre changaga ai khoi wada pure ai khoi ma da pure ai nupisu pure aduga Saddam se हाथ की निहाय आई को हाथ की निहाय ना लाओ रे अब अदुग जुग जे को हॉस्पिटल जाई को मां से अदुगा इन ऑफिशियल बाबा से पूरे हॉस्पिटल लाए अदु पुलिस दा पाव पीबा दा पुलिस से पुंग अमा हेले आई को दा लागते अदु करी गिनो खांगदे आई को ना मैतै दा बूट पिरिस आई को करी सोइगे अदु खक तै हांगे अदु पुलिस दा पाव पीबा दा पुंग अमा हेले आई को दा याउद्रि अब जिरिबाम दा बौपरा टाउन दगी पुलिस लागपा से मतम से क्या मुक चंगे अदु हजिक से कोई पूरा लाइफ से करी होगी ना है गमदे अदु को तो थमजगे
MLA-elect K.H. Raghumani from Uripok constituency in Imphal West on Friday assured to work more efficiently towards improving connectivity and education sectors in his constituency. He contested the Manipur polls 2022 on BJP ticket. He defeated Deputy Chief Minister and National People's Party NPP leader Yumnam Joy Kumar in the election. Speaking exclusively to Pony TV, Raghumani said he will work along with the people of Uripok to improve the roads and education sector. He rejected the habit of bad-mouthing and underlined on the need to focus on development of the constituency.
Jeli thaba, jadi kita berulang import, cinggu ni, net kan ini tahu yang kali. Okey. Ada ni macam mana ni? Ada orang apa macam tak terus coaching mesti ada yang mesti kau. Normal class 10 tu yang terus coaching ho. Education siapa dia tu? Yang baru dia. Juga kendra apa tu siapa nama mana ni? Yang tu ahan tahu apa dia hana ni kan yang ni ahan dulu je ni kok. Dia ahan ni tu kan tu. Lepas tu ahan ni dah buat yang gare naik ni yang hele kan hari apa tu kok. Ada maksud ni cuma dah. Lepas tu dia itu. Masih matter of luck ni kan. Kerja nak kerja, mesti tu. Macam short nak pergi bukan ni. Okey, baik tu. Thank you.
A team of United Committee Manipur UCM was flagged off from Imphal to take part in a fair at Agartala in Tripura on Friday. UCM consultative member H. Ibotombi Kuman flagged off the team from UCM office, Lamphilpat, in presence of other committee leaders. Manipur on Friday registered 15 COVID-19 cases and 0 deaths. The total tally reached 136,962, while the deaths stood at 2,116. As per the Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room, the positivity rate was recorded at 1.7%. The Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room said the fresh infections were detected after testing a total of 880 samples in the past 24 hours. It said 8 persons were recuperated from the disease in the same hours. Sapam Nisikant, who fought and won Kesamtong's seat in 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election, joined BJP party sources informed on Friday. He contested the election as an independent candidate. The central headquarters of Naga People's Front NPF based in Kohima said that it was confident that the 5 elected MLAs of the NPF will be steadfast in their commitment to the welfare of the citizens of Manipur in general and the Hills people in particular, while remaining true to the ideology and manifesto of the NPF party. The central headquarters said it salutes the NPF, Manipur State Unit MSU, and all its frontal organizations under the astute leadership of the President Awangbaw Niumay, who has tirelessly campaigned for the success of the NPF party. The NPF said in the statement, the rank and file of the Naga People's Front NPF then said that it was delighted to extend its heartiest congratulations to all the 5 party candidates for being elected to the 12th Manipur State Legislative Assembly. The 5 NPF MLA elect are Leisio Singh, 43 Pungyar Assembly Constituency, Ramgang Ning Muiwa, 44 Ukhrul Constituency, Kasim Basum, 45 Chingay Constituency, Losi Diko, 48 Mao Constituency, and Awangbaw Niumay, 52 Tami Constituency. Time for a short break. Stay tuned.
Karigumba dom yumda laiba anabasingi hidak kappa dressing tauba blood sample loba rice tube hapa catheterization hapa enema tobinaba experience lairaba nurse amati doctor thibada awaba thengnabirabadi wabiraganu Medlin Home Nursing Care Service Manipurna pungkun mari chukna adom yumda latuna hidak kappa injection piba dressing tauba feeding tube hapa catheter hapa amadi makhal kya ge anabasing experience lairaba doctor amadi nursing tuna mating pangzari akupa marol gi damak Medlin gi helpline number 9205987988 amukasu 9205987988 ta call tawna tanabiu natraga Google Play Store gi Medlin app download tawduna booking tawi.
Welcome back. The ruling Bharatiya Janata Party BJP won as many as 32 seats in the 60-member Manipur Legislative Assembly, just enough to be able to form the next government. The Congress, which was the largest party in the 2017 elections, won only 5 seats to reduce to the 4th position along with Naga People's Front (NPF) in the election results announced yesterday. However, NPP emerged as the second largest party by securing 7 seats. The NPF won 5 seats, marking one increase from its previous tally of 4 in the last 2017 elections, while Kuki People's Alliance KPA won 2 seats. The remaining 3 seats went to independent candidates. Among the prominent leaders who got re-elected in the 2 first polls to the State Assembly included incumbent Chief Minister Raghumani Singh of BJP, former 3-time Chief Minister Uripok Singh of Congress, and most of the incumbent ministers of the BJP. NPP National Vice President and former Manipur DCP Y. Kumar, who is also the incumbent Deputy Chief Minister of the party, incumbent Agriculture Minister Lukoy of BJP, and senior Congress leader and former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam of Congress were among the prominent leaders who lost the election this time. Yet another woman candidate who attracted considerable media attention in these elections was COP-turned politician T.H. Brinda, who contested from the high school seat on the JDU's ticket. She also lost the election. She came third in the 2017 polls. The Congress, which was facing 3-term anti-incumbency, emerged as the single largest party by winning 28 seats, while the BJP could corner only 21 of the 60 assembly seats. For the Congress, the party that served the state longest under the leadership of Raghumani Singh, for the first time in the political history of the state, reduced to single digit by winning only 5 seats this time. The election results saw the BJP that has just about passed the simple majority mark by winning 32 seats, an increase of 11 from its 2017 tally. The Meghalaya government yesterday announced the appointment of retired Indian Administrative Service IAS officer Peter S. Descartes as the interlocutor of facilitating the peace talks with the banned Khasi rebel outfits. United National Liberation Council (HNLC). Yesterday, the central government had given the green signal for the state government to initiate the peace process. We have accordingly appointed Peter S. Descartes, retired IAS officer, as the government interlocutor for taking the matter forward. Meghalaya Home Minister Lakman Rimbuy tell reporters Descartes, who was a former Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills and West Zensia Hills, will be assisted by Ministry of Home Affairs MHA advisor, Northeast and retired Indian Police Service IPS officer A.K. Misra. He informed. It can be noted here that the HNLC had sent the official communication expressing its readiness for unconditional peace talk on February 10. This was following the appeal made by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma while responding to our peace offer on February 8. An Indian Army Cheetah helicopter has crashed in the Barum area of Gurij sector of Jammu and Kashmir. The search parties of the security forces are reaching the snow-bound area for the rescue of the chopper crew. More details are awaited. In two separate incidents, troops of Churachandpur Battalion and Kaupum Battalion of IGARS assisted road accident victims on March 10, while the Churachandpur Battalion assisted the victims in recovery of vehicle, evacuation of two seriously injured victims, and primary medical care to other 20 passengers, including women and children traveling from Churachandpur to Sangsang. The troops of Kaupum Battalion provided medical assistance to a seriously injured villager in Lamdangmei area of Noni district as per a release. At around 2 p.m. on March 10, an accident took place at Aina village when the driver of a Tata 407 truck lost control of the vehicle and went off the road and plunged into a ditch near to the road. In this accident, Tengnu age 33 of Mauzang village and Hui Kim age 40 of Kokan village were seriously injured and were evacuated to Churachandpur district hospital in an Assam rifle ambulance. Other passengers with minor injuries were given first aid in the MI room of Khoi operating base Aina. The Herculean task of recovering the vehicle from the ditch was done by the troops of Assam Rifles, duly supported by the local people. At Lamdangmai, an individual who had sustained several leg injury in an accident was brought to Assam Rifles Company operating base and rendered with emergency medical aid to stabilize his condition by their medical staff. The victim was subsequently referred to civil hospital for further treatment. The accident victims and the local people expressed gratitude towards the Assam Rifles soldiers who exemplified the humanity-first of the security forces. Manipuri Battalion of Assam Rifle under the aegis of IGARS organized a leg on discrimination against women and laws protecting them on March 9. The leg was conducted by additional SPIUCAWIW, families of Manipuri Garrison Rifle, women of Assam Rifles, and nursing staff from ARMH attended the event. Once again, the top news headlines. Chief Minister N. Biren resigns from his post. And BJP Morcha leaders family injured in post-poll violence. Thank you for watching Pony TV English News.